Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know already, my name is Alicia, and if you have not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell right next to it so you can get all notifications of when my videos come out. I'm sorry I've not been consistent at all, and I wish and hope I could, like I really do. I'm really trying to get this mom thing down pat and working and everything. I have had a makeup video that I was supposed to put out. I will like show a picture right here. If you guys like it, I'll still put it out. If you guys don't like it, I won't put it out. So make sure you leave your comments down below if you guys like the video. While I have time right now, I'm going to go ahead and try to do this fall look. Who is ready for fall? I'm definitely really ready for fall. So I'm going to try, I was going to say I was going to try this hangover, Too Faced hangover primer. I'm not going to try it because I'm not going anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and get a drugstore primer and then start my face. You guys, I know I be like missing the action, but make sure you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. I be on there every now and then, so follow me on there. I do try to post a little bit more on Snapchat than I do on Instagram than I do anywhere else. So if anything, follow me on Instagram. I will leave my name down here. All my information is in my description box, so make sure you check that out. But I did get this from the 21 days of Ultra sale. Let me know what you guys got down in the comment section if you guys have shopped that sale or what you guys plan on getting. Just a newbie, I got this as well from Marshall's. This is the Becca foundation. I wish I took a picture of me wearing this out. I really kind of sort of like it, so I might wear it on this look right here. So we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and maybe listen to a podcast or something, or figure out something. I may play some music, or I may talk to you guys. Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer me to talk to you guys, or do you prefer music and just get the look out the way? Let me know in the comment section. I got you guys several questions to answer in the comment section. Well, so you guys make sure that comment section is active, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna get it percolating on this what's that called, on this makeup. Hopefully I'm able to get through it. And one thing I do want to say, I want to try to vlog me finishing getting my son's birthday party together. We will see. I'm still working on it. His birthday party is like October 6th, so we will see. We still got time. I just got majority of the stuff ready. I guess we'll see. Anywho, let's get this makeup look together. I'm just rambling. I miss you guys. This is like a 3-minute introduction. I haven't talked to you guys in I don't know how long, unless you guys follow me on Instagram, and that comment section don't be popping over there either. But yeah, let me get my face together. All right, so I started this eye already after I put my eyebrows on. I don't do my eyebrows anything special, so I don't normally film that. And I have makeup looks doing a complete look already, so that's why I didn't film that process. But I started doing my eyeshadow, and then I realized I was supposed to be doing a makeup video. So, and I'm just patting this in. This is ColourPop Drift that I put on my eye. That's what makeup, period. Just use what you have. Like, you don't have to go out and get everything you see your favorite YouTuber using and all that. Like, I definitely learned that I especially don't do that, because that's just gonna be a waste of money. Like I said, I typically don't do eyeshadows, so it's gonna be a waste of money for me to get everything I see somebody use. So you just weave out, especially if you're a beginner, just weave out what's important to you. And this look hopefully will be super simple. I'm just placing the eyeshadow, and then I'm going to blend it. Well, more than likely I won't be able to do everything on camera, but you get it. I'm putting that on the bottom. Let me know how you guys feel about the True CoverGirl True Blend foundation. If you like it, like it was just raved about, you know. And I haven't been on the scene, so let me know what you guys feel about it.
Everybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. I'll dedicate all my love to you, oh baby. I wanna stay by your side, be that you cool, and let you know everything will be alright.
I feel like I look ghostly, but when I add the bronzer, it may look a little bit better. I think for my eye looks, it looks better when I add black liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on. We'll see how it looks with, I haven't got my monitor set up, so I don't know how it looks like for real. But if it turns out looking a mess, let me know. And I don't know what color I just used, but I just used the color in the NYX palette. They gave me this for my birthday last year at Ulta. The lashes amped up this look so much. These are the same lashes I was like, no. I did a little tutorial and I was like, these are some new things I got. And I was like, these lashes are too dramatic for me. Yeah, these are the lashes, and they're quickly becoming one of my favorite lashes. If you follow me on Instagram, the last couple of pictures I have taken, I've had these lashes on, and I absolutely love them. I love them for pictures, like taking pictures. But it's like an everyday look, I don't think I can do it.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you,
and I want to see how it looks if I add this is Man Eater. It's a lip topper or metallic lip by Colourpop.
feel like something could be going on.
Hey. Ooh. Okay, so everything I use will be down below. If you guys like this look, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell that's right next to the subscribe button so you can see more of my look. We'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I am ready for fall. How about you guys? And I am so proud of myself with doing a dark lip because I normally stick to my neutrals. And I'm kind of sort of feeling this look. Let me know what you guys think. And again, make sure you follow me on Instagram. And I will talk to you guys later.